Some researchers believe that what people are describing as sky sounds might actually be infrasound from events so far away that no one connects them to the strange noises they're hearing. But not all explanations are so benign. Some suspect military activity could be responsible. High-altitude aircraft, experimental drones, or even classified energy weapons might produce unusual acoustic effects. Governments rarely confirm such tests, leaving room for speculation. In the past, sonic booms from supersonic jets have been mistaken for mysterious sky noises. And it's possible that advanced technology could generate even stranger sounds. The idea isn't entirely far-fetched. During the Cold War, both the US and Soviet Union tested weapons and aircraft that produce bizarre auditory phenomena.